Joining me here is the prosecutor for the case, Habib Balian. I'll give you a couple different update points. First, the case is on track. We have provided the bulk of discovery to defense counsel, and we are now waiting for the coroner's report. When that is provided to the district attorney's office, it will in turn be provided to defense counsel. The second point, this case is a death penalty eligible case. Along those lines, we take the process in which we determine whether or not the death penalty should be sought extremely seriously, and it goes through a very rigorous process. We will be looking at all aggravating and mitigating circumstances, and we have invited defense counsel to present to us both in writing and orally in a meeting any arguments that they would like to make in consideration for our going forward or not going forward with the death penalty. So that is an ongoing process. We will also, at that point, when we get all this information, it will be subject to not only a rigorous analysis, but many of the most experienced individuals in the DA's office with death penalty experience will be helping me evaluate that information. The third point with dates. Right now, the next date is April 29th for a preliminary hearing setting date. What will happen is that at that date, the judge has said it is 0 of 30 days. That translation, that means that within 30 days of that April 29th date, there will be a preliminary hearing unless additional time is sought by defense counsel, agreed to by the court, and the defendant agrees to also waive time. One can probably expect that there will be that additional time sought because of the volume of the discovery that will have to be gone through by defense counsel, by the fact that we're still waiting for the coroner's report, and by the fact that if defense counsel wants to seek any additional expert testimony, it will certainly take additional time. So that is the update on this case. Again, as we go through this process, we will provide you with more updates. But thank you very much today.
Has Mr. Reiner undergone any mental competency exams?
And I won't be answering any questions today. Thank you.
Do you know family been reaching out to him? Do they want to log your test?
Thank you.
All right, so we were just listening to Nathan Hochman, who is the Los Angeles County District Attorney, stating that he is not answering any questions, but we continue to follow the breaking news as Nick Reiner has pleaded not guilty to killing his parents, and we were showing this to you just moments ago.
So allegations, enhancements,
we were
and powers?
actually
Yes, Your Honor.
able to see Nick Reiner in court. Let's play this.
April 29th as 0 of 30.
April 29th, 2026 as a 0 of 30 calendar days.
Yes.
And may I take a waiver from your client at this
Yes,
time?
sir.
Mr. Reiner, you are entitled to a speedy preliminary hearing. That's a preliminary hearing within 10 court days and 60 calendar days of your arraignment. Your arraignment is today. Do you understand, waive, and give up those rights so that your matter may be continued to April 29th, 2026 as a 0 of 30 calendar days, with the understanding that your preliminary hearing may commence within 30 calendar days of April 29th?
Yes.
And does counsel join in that waiver?
I do.
The court finds that Mr. Reiner has made a knowing and intelligent waiver of his right to a speedy preliminary hearing within 10 court days and 60 calendar days, and that his counsel of record joins in that waiver. Defendant agrees that the next court date of April 29th, 2026 is a 0 of 30 calendar days. The matter is assigned to, for all purposes, by the supervising judge of the criminal master calendar. The matter is assigned to, for all purposes, to Judge Sam Oda in Department 108. Counsel reserve on bail?
Yes, Your Honor.
It's bail set at no bail. Anything further on this case?
Yes, for the record, Your Honor, people have turned over to the defense the large bulk of discovery. We are still awaiting word from the coroner's office that they've completed the autopsy report. As soon as we get it, we will turn it over from the defense, as well as any other discovery that comes in.
So I did want to share that with you. All of that happening just moments ago as we saw for the very first time Nick Reiner in court as he entered his not guilty plea to murdering his parents. And we were just hearing from the judge that there is no bail. Nick Reiner will remain behind bars. He is scheduled to reappear in court in April. This is a live look outside of the courthouse in Los Angeles County. We were just hearing from the district attorney, Nathan Hochman, and it's unclear as to whether we might be hearing any additional reaction, but we're going to keep a very close eye on this, and of course, we will bring that to you.